Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can go about downloading movies or series when you're using Netflix on your phone. This is a great thing to use if you're downloading on your home Wi-Fi internet, and then when you leave your house you can watch the different various video content that you downloaded and not have to use your mobile data. So let's say I wanted to download the movie Groundhog Day to watch later when I'm offline. So I just go ahead and select Groundhog Day, and then where it says play right below that, it just says download. Go ahead and click on that, and it will download that particular movie so that you can watch it later. Now, I also just want to quickly show you how you do this for a TV series. It's really similar. So you're going to have to do it episode by episode. So let's say you're interested in The Witcher. Again, right there below it where it says play, it has download. And you can also scroll down and see that there's this little download symbol next to every single episode of the series that you're interested in. So you can go ahead and download a number of episodes and then watch them when you're away from your house. It's a great way to save on mobile data when you download on your home internet connection, and then watching when you're away from the house without being connected to the internet. So I hope this was helpful, walking you through how you can go about downloading different episodes and movies on Netflix. It's a great resource to use, and I highly recommend it. So thanks for stopping by. Consider subscribing, and I'll catch you back here next time.